The 45-70 Ridge Scraper, User Manual, by Biotech Emporium. The 45-70 Ridge Scraper was designed to be used with bulldozers in the 45 to 70 ton weight range. The main ridge scraper frame is built in such a manner that it can be split down the middle for easy transport and packing inside a shipping container. The unique split frame eliminates the need to dismantle the whole machine, thereby making on-site reassembly quick and easy. The two blades are mounted on hinged pins that allow the user to fold the blades under the frame when moving from one job site to another with the machine attached to the bulldozer. A removable dozer attachment is provided for the specific bulldozer model that will be used with the 45-70 Ridge Scraper. The main ridge scraper can thus be used on different bulldozers in the correct weight class by only replacing the dozer adapter with another dozer adapter for the second machine. Other dozer implements from Biotech Emporium are also designed to connect directly to the ridge scraper dozer attachment, making it quick and easy to swap implements in the field.
Your new 45-70 Ridge Scraper will arrive in 4 pieces. These pieces are the left and right frame assemblies, the rear ridge shaper, and the dozer adapter you ordered with your ridge scraper. To assemble, move the 2 frame sections together and insert the 7 bolts provided. Tighten these bolts securely. Now install the dozer attachment using the 2 large 200 mm pins provided. Lastly, install the rear ridge shaper using the remaining 2 pins. The ridge scraper can now be hooked onto your bulldozer. Remove the pins locking the blade assemblies in the closed position. Now push the blades outward to open. The swing arms will slide along the frame within the slots provided. When fully open, install the pins in the working position. It is important to do proper ground preparation before attempting to build planting ridges using the 45-70 Ridge Scraper from Biotech Emporium. Biotech Emporium suggests that you start the ground preparation by ripping the field to a minimum depth of 500 mm. This should then be followed by a disc plow to break up any remaining lumps. Mark the position of the ridges clearly so that the dozer driver will be able to follow the straight lines. The field is now ready for the ridging operation. Use the 45-70 Ridge Scraper in the following manner. Tilt it slightly backwards so that the front tips of the blades are just off the ground while the rear tips are touching the ground. A tilt angle of about 5 degrees is suggested. This tilt angle will prevent the blades from digging into the ground in the front, thereby causing uneven trenches. It will take a bit of practice, but once the driver is used to the scraper, he will be able to go as fast as the bulldozer's power will allow him to go. The rear ridge shaper can be used in most types of soil, but in very sandy soil it is suggested that you remove the shaper as that will flatten the newly formed ridges. The 45-70 Ridge Scraper should be inspected periodically for worn pins and bushes. It is also suggested that the cutting edges on the blades should be replaced when they become worn to the point where they no longer extend past the blade's mold boards at the bottom, as that will result in worn mold boards that are extremely expensive to replace. The lower brass bushes on the dozer attachment will wear out over time and will thus need periodic replacement. We suggest you use a high-quality grease to lubricate these bushes on a regular basis, as that will extend their life expectancy quite drastically. Should you need any spare parts for your ridge scraper, please provide Biotech Emporium with the model and serial number as shown on the nameplates on each of the frame halves. The nameplate on the dozer attachment is for the dozer attachment only, so should you need spare parts for the dozer attachment, please provide its unique serial number. At Biotech Emporium, we strive to provide our clients with exceptional service. Please feel free to contact us should you require any assistance at all. We would also like to make use of this opportunity to thank you for your support. Goodbye.